Good morning, everyone. Well, there's a chance of rain today and tomorrow in southeast Nebraska, but it's certainly not going to be raining all day, both days. So let's talk about when the best chance of seeing rain is going to be, starting 8 a.m. this morning. And this is the best chance of rain for the northern part of the area. So if you're Columbus, Fremont, Omaha, it's during the morning commute that is your best opportunity of seeing showers, maybe a weak storm or two, definitely no severe storms. So the chance for the morning commute, I'll go as far south as roughly the Lincoln area, but I think the better opportunity, Columbus, Fremont, and Omaha. For Lincoln, kind of the central part of the area, I actually think the best chance of rain is going to be during the late morning hours. Here we are at 11 a.m. and a little bit better opportunity around York, Lincoln, Nebraska City, and notice backing off a little bit in the northern part of the area. And the reason why we're seeing this transition from north to south, this is a cold front that is going to be gradually working over us. So 11 a.m., notice still, I've got to stress the gap. So I still think today some are going to miss out. It is possible you could go in between the showers, but a decent chance of seeing rain, at least for a little while. By the time we get into the early afternoon, this will be the peak of the activity for the southern part of the area. But notice, really winding down. Here we are at 2 o'clock, so best chance at this point, Hebron, Beatrice, Fall City, but looking pretty dry for the central and northern part of the area. And I do think everything's going to be wrapped up in the mid-afternoon, and by 5 o'clock, as you're driving home from work, no rain to be found. It'll be completely dry. Now, because the front will be arriving earlier in the northern part of the area, temperatures a little bit cooler to the north, a little bit warmer to the south. So largely in the northern part of the area, topping out in the mid-80s. In the central part of the area, I think upper 80s is going to be more common, including around the Lincoln area. And then for the southern part of the area, I still think we're probably going to be topping out around 90 degrees here in Hebron, Beatrice, or Fall City. Not going to be much wind around this afternoon, only around 10 miles per hour. So the evening hours are looking dry, but late tonight it looks like a few showers could begin to pop up again. And here we are for the morning commute tomorrow, and yeah, the chance of rain is there. And the reason why there's still a rain chance tomorrow, that front stalling out. And so that's going to keep the rain chance going for tomorrow. And actually right now it's looking like the morning hours are going to be our best opportunity at seeing rain. But notice not everybody seeing it. Right now it's looking like the northeastern part of the area has the best opportunity based on the position of where this front looks like it's going to stall out right now. Places like Council Bluffs, Omaha, Fremont, you have a better chance of rain than places to the south and west, like Beatrice and Hebron. And that's really the story throughout the day tomorrow, because technically there's a chance of rain throughout the day, but I do think it's probably early in the day that is our best opportunity. This is 7 a.m. Look what happens when we jump ahead to 10 a.m. Already not as much showing up. So kind of starting with isolated activity early morning, and then it's really going to be a story of stray showers here or there for the rest of the day. Look at 1 o'clock. A couple of showers, mainly in the northern part of the area, not so much in the southern part of the area. I mean, I'm going to leave in a chance for everyone, but you can kind of see what the trend is. More to the north, less, especially north and east, and less to the south and west. Temperatures, because the front stalled out over us, it's going to be a repeat of temperatures tomorrow. Largely mid-80s, northern part of the area, central part of the area, largely upper 80s, and then once again, largely around 90 degrees once again for the southern part of the area. A little bit more wind tomorrow, but not much. We're only talking about gusts getting up to about 15 miles per hour. So what about Friday evening plans? Well, certainly don't cancel them. But I do have to mention, there is a small chance that the shower could work over you. Notice how there's still a couple of green dots showing up 7 o'clock Friday, but the vast majority of us are going to have dry Friday evening plans.